Alright, so you can search for AppsGaze on Google. So you type in AppsGaze like this, and then you wait for it to load, or perhaps you go to their website www.appsgaze.com, and then you take it to their original website, just like that. So let's create an app over here. So you click on create app, and then you wait for it to load. My internet might work very slow sometimes, but you don't worry, just hold on. So you select from the various templates over here. They have the Messenger website, browser, and then blog, store, music. So you figure out the app that you want to create, right? Okay, so let's try it with the Messenger over here. So we click on the Messenger, and then it takes us to the next step. So you just wait for it to load. Alright, so the first step is the template description, of which we've just done it. That is the Messenger. We're creating something like Messenger, something that looks like WhatsApp, WeChat, IMO, and other stuff. So you click on next to take you to the next step. That is the app settings. So you can figure out the settings over here. You change the action bar to something like red. You can take time to create your own, and then let's change something here. The background, let me make it something like a little bit yellow, and then you click to see the preview over here. So we wait for it. Now this is what I have so far, and I think this is looking very nice, so you can take time to create yours also. So the next thing is the background over here. The asterisk sign over here indicates that this particular part is compulsory, so you have to add an attachment to it. So you click on attach image, and then wait for it to load. Okay, so once it has loaded, you just choose file over here, and then you select the image that you want to use. Then you click open over here, and then you wait for it to also load up. Alright, so once it has loaded, it will give you the option to crop your image over here. So it crops it for you per the size that it wants, and then you click on submit over here to finish it up. Okay, so we are done with anything. You can input your channel URL and the other stuff over here, and then you click on next when you are done. Okay, so the next step over here is to create your app name. So let me name this app sample app, right? So this is very simple, and then you click on next over here like that, and then you give it a description. So this is just a sample app, and then you click next like that. So it will give you the option to choose an icon over here, but let's use the costume icon over here, and then you click on upload. So you wait for it to load. Once it has loaded, you choose the file over here, and then I'm going to choose this particular, just for example, so this particular logo that I designed for somebody, a friend, and then you wait for it to also load. Alright, so after it has also loaded, you just have the opportunity to crop it out. So let's bring it here, and then you click on submit, right? And then you should see it appear over here just like that. So this is just a sample, and then you can go ahead and click next over here, and then your app is ready. But to upload it to Play Store, you need to pay a few amounts of money, just for the creators of this wonderful and beautiful website. So that is the quickest way and the simplest way, in my opinion, to create your own app using this very simple website. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, I hope you give it a like, and then you don't forget to hit on the subscribe button to subscribe. Click on the notification bell so that anytime I post, you'll be the first person to see it. Thanks so much once again for watching. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.